Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we have 3 outline tricks that will make editing simpler for you on PicsArt. Starting off with dress outline. First, select the image of choice. Add in another image of the outline of a dress. Make sure that the edges of the skirt in both the images are similar. So select effects and choose negative in colors. Now blend and multiply the image. With this, align it to the first image. Then with eraser, erase the excess. Click Done. That's it for dress outline. Now moving on to the second trick, text outline. Here, select the image of choice. Go to Draw and select Add Text. Choose the font that you prefer and type in your text. Adjust the size and click Done. Now drag the words around the foreground image. Change the color and trace the text again as shown. And that's all for text outline. And finally, the third trick, spiral outline. Here, select the image of choice. Go to Sticker and search Spiral. Choose the one as shown and adjust it to your image. Now with eraser, create the illusion of it spiraling around the body as shown. Click Done. Go to Sticker again and select the one as shown. This time spiral it around the camera and repeat the process with the eraser. Click Done. So that's it for 3 outline tricks. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.